In today's video, I'll teach you how to order food on Shake Shack. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shakeshack.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Shake Shack. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be able to order the food. Make sure menu option is selected. Once the menu option is selected, you'll be able to find the menus over here. Simply click on the food that you want to order. Now you'll be able to choose an order type over here. You'll be able to find two options, pick up, delivery. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the location. What you have to do is enter an address over here. Simply enter the address. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to find the information regarding this food over here. Also you'll be able to find various options. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also be able to customize your order. You can customize the order if you want. After you're done, you can also specify the quantity over here. You can increase the quantity. Also you'll be able to decrease the quantity. After you're done, click on this option, add to bag, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the bag over here. Click on this option, checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to select the payment type. Before that, if you haven't logged into your account, you'll be prompted to sign into your account. So make sure to sign into your account. After that, you'll be able to choose the payment type. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for credit or debit card, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the card. Simply enter the name on card. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll also have to provide the card number, CVV and expiry date. After that, the card will be added. Now once the card has been added, you'll be able to see the subtotal, tip, fees, tax, total over here. If you have the promo code, you'll also be able to add it. Simply click on this field of promo code and add the promo code in order to get the discount. After you're done, click on this option, continue to review, that you can see on the screen. After that, what you have to do is review the order. Once you review the order and complete the transaction, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive your order. So that is how you order food from Shake Shack. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.